Hello everybody, I am Zakaria the Ghostwriter. Somebody asked me a question, can I use second gear if I am doing code 10 during my yard test? And I said to the person, no. According to my knowledge, there is no need to use second gear if you're doing code 10 yard test. You are only expected to use 2 gears. The first gear and the reverse gear. When you're going forward, you use the first gear. When you're going backwards, like maybe when you're doing straight reverse or when you're doing alley docking, you only use the reverse gear. There is no need to use a second gear when you are doing your yard test on code 10. You can use a second gear when you are outside, which is known as the road test. When you are outside driving with other people, because of you have to match the speed limit outside. There is always a speed limit. Simply because of a truck, once you put the first gear and you release a clutch pedal, automatically the truck starts going forward if the handbrake is down. So just know that you don't have to rush during your yard test. Take it easy, do everything by the book to avoid unnecessary pressure and unnecessary panic. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.